chicken farmer. I got thousands on the wing, and I don't really like it because of several things. I love saltwater fishing and the Gulf of Mexico, but since I got this chicken farm, I don't get to go. Yeah, I'm suffering from a little temporary insanity. My wife said, boy, you crazy. I wouldn't do it if I was you. Now I'm stuck here working nights and days with the lonely rooster blues. Crows are flying overhead, bird dust fills the air. My grass needs cutting, my truck's jacked up, and I ain't got no time to spare. I just wish those crows were seagulls, and I wish this grass was sand. I wish I wasn't wishing, I was wishing in one hand. I wish that smell I'm smelling was something else instead. I wish these chickens in this chicken house was a school of big bull reds. Oh yeah. I can almost smell the fresh sea air, hear the waves upon the sand, and feel the warm breeze in my hair, see a fish I'm about to land. Come on, jump. Really very thankful for what the good Lord's given me, but I can't help but think about how that it must be to live life without so much stress, to live life with just a little less, being even further blessed not to have to work in chicken mess. I just wish those crows were seagulls, and I wish this grass was sand. I wish I wasn't wishing, I was wishing in one hand. I wish that smell I'm smelling was something else instead. I wish these chickens in this chicken house was a school of big bull reds. I wish that smell I'm smelling was something else instead. Some people say it smells like money, but I just think it stinks. And I'd a whole lot rather be smelling fresh cut bait right now. I wish these chickens in this chicken house was a school of big bull reds. Oh, I can dream, can't